So, I'm gonna play Rainbow Six Siege. I am tired as all hell. I might not work as I should when I play these games, but I am like on two, like, I woke up at like 3, 4 o'clock this morning, and it is like, it's a full 24 hours. It's literally a full 24 hours that I've been awake. Wow. Alright, here we go.
You will engage in 10 fundamental counterterrorism situations before being deployed. Report to the SAS base in Hereford. You are to infiltrate a kill house and clear the area of enemy combatants. In close quarters combat, operators must rely on situational awareness to locate and identify threats and assets. Secure the area using a slow and methodical sweep. Here, you will face a trained enemy, equipped with military-grade weapons and explosives.
Great.
Never stop until the threat is neutralized.
Oh. Jay!
You will need to rely on basic missile discipline and your ability to reduce exposure to enemy fire by using the environment.
Has 38 unknown kills.
Eliminate the terrorists.
Oh, I don't have... Shit. Oh, it's just a dummy. God, I can't see shit anyways because I am kind of tired as fuck. I'm not going through that front door because you know what the fuck's gonna happen. I'm not going through that front door. That front door is a death trap. No, I don't want to repel, I want to get in. That just spooked me the fuck out. I would have just thrown a C4 in here. See, that, all I saw was a whole bunch of guys just sitting there. I have a feeling I'm gonna get a fucking chokehold in this area. Clear. Clear. What the fuck? Okay, so this is just... Alright, whole floor is clear. I better not hear no fucking sticky bombs, because I swear to God, if I hear a sticky bomb, I'm running. Fuck. This is a fucking choke point, because he can come from there, come around the corner. Oh, it's just my footsteps. There's someone in there. I can tell you right now, there's probably at least 2 in there. Just from my experience playing military games, Arma 3, other DayZ, I can guarantee you right now that there's 2 people in there. Clear? Motherfucker. Suck a dick. Clear. Someone's moving. He's off. He's up there. He's above. How could he be above? The fuck? How could he be above? Fuck. He's running?
Top 4 eliminated.
Take some of that, you sons of bitches! Ah! Fucking center mass. Jesus. Oh, I need that. Give me that good stuff. Yes. Alright, next situation. Let's go.
In a hostage situation, you cannot be slow and methodical.
Oh,
Once you breach the perimeter, you must conduct a violent and dynamic assault in order to extract the hostage from a barricaded house. Use breach charges to quickly infiltrate the building. The physical safety of the asset is paramount. Breach charges give you a momentary tactical advantage to neutralize enemies and take control of the asset.
Alright.
Provide cover for the asset as you move to the extraction point, eliminating any hostiles you encounter. Good luck.
Well, this is on normal because I've never done this at this kind of...
Hostage located. Move to their location and secure the hostage.
Oh, God damn it! I pressed 2. You fucking motherfucker. Flash myself. You. I ain't get him, he's on the fucking porch. Take a flash, you cunt. Oh, Jesus! Jesus Christ! It's instantly. You fucking. Oh, there's more. Another. Suck it. Great. Where's the hostage? Let's go.
I got it. Everything's gonna be okay.
Secured. Extract the hostage. Hostiles approaching. Keep the hostage safe. We set the hostage free. Need to re-secure the hostage.
Let's go.
We got you.
We've got the hostage. Get them to the extraction point.
Follow me. Stick to me.
Hostage free. Secure the hostage. Extraction successful. Good work.
Alright, let's go. Come on. Don't care. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Next situation. Let's go. Come on. Oh
Airplanes
no,
have
not the
long been
plane.
targeted for terrorist attacks.
God
The
damn.
mobility
Yeah.
and the
Well, of
high-profile
course,
nature of the
Heathrow
attack against
Airport.
random victims
Airport
appeals
is
to
known
organizations
for
looking to make
their
a name for themselves.
multi.
This kind of
people.
attack, if successful, can make their
You got
cause known
Asians, you
and
got
increase
French,
member
you got
recruitment.
Tubular
Tubular
Polish, you
assaults
got
provide very little cover
Indians,
and minimal
you
escape
got
routes.
Muslims, you got
The FBI SWAT operator Ash will be
colored
deployed for this
people,
situation.
you got
Breaching
multiple
rounds enable you
different
to
people.
aggressively seize
You
and
got
control
also
lines of
Germans
fire.
and French. It's okay. Yeah, skip.
Eliminate all of the terrorists.
You know what? I'd rather not go directly there. Is there a belly exit? Because I know. Is there a belly exit? There has to be a way to get in through the belly. I don't want to be up in the front because the front. the knowledge I have from watching. The fuck was that? Was that a? That was probably a helo. Fuck. Well, that's as far as back as I can go. What is Z? Oh, Z's the tracker. 5 is what? What is 5? No tools. Yeah. What is that? Okay, that's that. 6. Oh, no. I don't wanna. Well, I probably do wanna flash, but not flash automatically. Oh boy. And I only got 31. Yeah, it's. Alright, here we go. Fuck you. Alright, fuck that. Full auto. Cause that was a lot of health. I had a feeling he was gonna be hidden behind there. Ten enemies left. Alright, here we go. Balls deep. Spooked me, I saw something move. I don't know. Well, I'm tired, so. Let me just get full ammo. Alright. Fuck. Motherfucker. Actually, ooh, I can research this. Ooh. Spicy, so I can actually get more gold. Gold is the way to go.
Eliminate the terrorists.
Alright, let's go. I wish there would be a fucking gun. I don't know if you guys heard that, but I did. Oh, he was on this side. Wait, was there one on each side? Wait, what the fuck? He changed spots, little fucker. How the f did he change spots? Little fucker changed spots this time. Wow. Oh, you sneaky little bastard. Clear? Oh, not clear. Fucking choke point right there. Oh, you fucking... You. Did he just... He did. Stupid fuck. Flash emoji.